morning, dear students. Today we will discuss next part of chapter 12, miscellaneous exercise 12. Miscellaneous 12, question 28 complete. Now we discuss question 29. Question 29 is the radius of a circle is root 2 centimeter. This circle is divided into two parts by 2 centimeter long chord. Okay, now then prove that an angle is 45 degree is subtend at any point on major segment of this arc. Okay. First given part mention a radius of circle is given and a root 2 centimeter. Mention radius of a circle root 2 centimeter. Now chord of length is 2 centimeter. Chord of length is 2 centimeter. Okay. According to this statement, draw a figure. Okay. Draw a diagram, a circle OB and OC. Radius is given root 2. So OB equal OC root 2. And chord length of chord is 2 centimeter. BC is chord, AB is chord and AC is chord. Now BC is 2 centimeter. Okay. Then to prove the angle subtend by this chord at point of major segment is 45 degree. It means BAC. We prove angle BAC is 45 degree. This angle is 45 degree. Okay. Then construction. We construct circle and triangle. Join OB and OC. Okay, join points OB and OC. OB and OC are radius, both are equal. Now proof chord BC equal given 2 centimeter. Chord BC, we let BC is chord and its length is 2 centimeter given. Now BC square equal 2 square, it means 4 centimeter. Okay, therefore in triangle OBC, in triangle OBC, BC square equal OB square plus OC square. Okay, by Pythagoras theorem, in right angle triangle, hypotenuse square equal perpendicular square plus a base square. Therefore here perpendicular is BC. We taking O is right angle on center and BC is hypotenuse. OB is perpendicular and OC is a base. Therefore BC square equal OB square plus a OC square. BC square mention as it is OB. Value of OB is root 2 and value of OC is also root 2. So OB replaced by root 2 whole square, OC replaced by root 2 whole square. Root 2 multiply root 2. Multiplying values same in roots, then multiply root 2 multiply root 2, it means 2. Okay, root 3 multiply root 3, 3. Root 5 multiply root 5, 5. So root 2 multiply root 2, 2. It means 2 plus 2, 4. Value of BC square equal 4. We get value of BC square equal 4. Then angle BOC is 90 degree. Angle BOC means this one is a 90 degree. Okay, now same arc BC, angle subtend on center, and same arc angle subtend on remaining part of a circle BAC. It means relation between angle BOC and angle BAC. Therefore angle BOC by Bodayan theorem, angle BOC is 90 degree. Now angle subtend at center of circle O by arc BC is angle BOC and at remaining part is angle BAC. It means relation between BOC and BAC. BAC is double of BS. BOC is double of BAC. Okay, then angle BAC equal BOC divided by 2. Therefore angle BOC. Here angle BOC equal 90 degree. Therefore angle BAC mention as it is. BOC means 90, 2 as it is. 90 divided by 2, it means 45 degree. We calculate angle BAC. Therefore value of angle BAC equal 45 degree is a answer. Okay. Again, a radius is given and chord length of chord is given. Draw a circle. BC, AB and AC are radius. OB and are chord. OB and OC are radius. Chord in triangle OBC. In this triangle OBC, right angle triangle. So BC square equal OB square plus OC square. We calculate value of BC. Therefore we know that relation between BOC and BAC. So relation between these two, angle subtend on same arc on center, it is double by remaining part of a circle. Therefore BAC is half of 90 divided by 245 degree. We calculate angle BAC equal 45 degree is a answer. Okay. Now question number 30. Question number 30 is AB and AC are two chords. AB and AC are two chords having a radius r of a circle in such a way that AB equal to AC given. AB equal to AC. Okay. And if the distance of AB and AC from the center is P and Q respectively, then prove 4Q square equal P square plus 3R square. We prove 4Q square equal 3P square plus 3R square. Okay. Now first given part mention AB and AC are two chord having radius r. Mention AB and AC are two chords of radius r such that AB equal to AC given. AB equal to AC given. Mention as it is. Now to prove, what will be proved? 4Q square equal P square plus 3R square. 4Q square equal P square plus 3R square. Okay. Next, according to given question statement, draw a figure. Okay. Now draw a figure. AC and AB, two equal chords. Okay. Fixed center point is O. Now OM is perpendicular on AC. OL is perpendicular on AB. Okay. Therefore OM equal Q and O to L equal P. Okay. And O to A is radius. O to A is a radius. So AB equal to AC given. AB equal to AC given. Now OL perpendicular on AB. O to L perpendicular on AB. Similarly OM is perpendicular on AC. OM is perpendicular on AC. Therefore OL equal P. OL equal we let P and OM equal Q. OM we let equal Q. Okay. The perpendicular from the center of circle. The perpendiculars from the center of circle bisect the chord. Bisect the chord. Because perpendicular OM is perpendicular on AC. So OM bisect AC in two equal part. Similarly OL is perpendicular on AB. So OL bisect AB chord in two equal part. Therefore in triangle AOL, in this triangle AOL, R square, it means this one is radius, this one is 90 degree now. So opposite to 90, hypotenuse, it means hypotenuse square equal, by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal perpendicular square plus base square. Therefore AO square means R square plus AL square plus OL square. So AL square plus OL means P. So OL square equal P square. Here value of AL square equal R square minus P square. So AL square equal R square minus P square. Okay. value of al is OL is perpendicular on AB na, so AL is a half of AB, AL is a half of AB, so AL replace AB by 2 whole square as it is, R square as it is minus P square as it is, then AB into AB square 2 into 2 4, R square minus P square, R square minus P square as it is. Now here value of AB square equal 4 into R square minus P square. So 4 multiply R square minus P square. We know that according to given condition AB equal to AC, therefore AB replaced by 2AC, so AB equal to AC whole square as it is, 4 as it is, R square minus P square, R square minus P square as it is. Okay, now 4AC square 2 into 2, 2AC into 2AC, 4AC square, 4 as it is, R square minus P square, R square minus P square. Okay, now 4 cancel out, here value of AC square equal R square minus P square, AC square equal R square minus P square, R square minus P square, equation first. Then in triangle AOM, similar triangle, first we taking AOL, then we taking AOM, it's opposite triangle, this one is also 90 degree, sorry, this one is also 90 degree, so value of AO means R square equal Q square plus AM square, then R square equal AM square plus Q square, here value of AM square equal R square minus Q square, R square minus Q square, and AM is half of AC, AM equal AC by 2, okay, AM equal AC by 2. Now AM equal AC by 2, therefore AM replace AC by 2, so AM AC by 2 whole square, R square minus Q square, R square minus Q square as it is. Now here calculate AC square equal 4 into R square minus Q square, 4 into R square minus Q square, equation second. By equation first and second we get, by equation second AC square equal 4 into R square minus Q square, or equation first AC square equal R square minus P square. Put AC square equal R square minus P square in equation second. Here R square minus P square, so 4R square minus Q square, 4R square minus Q square, and AC square equal 4R square minus Q square. Okay, then 4 multiply 4, 4 cancel out, so 4R square minus 4Q square, 4R square minus 4Q square, R square minus Q square. Okay, then value of R square, 4R square minus R square, 3R square, and 4Q square plus Q square, it means 4Q, and then transferring on other side minus 3Q, it means value of 4Q square equal P square plus 3R square, P square plus 3R square. Okay, here R square minus P square na, R square minus P square, then value 4R square minus Q square and 4P square, value 4P square. Okay, here value 4P square, value 4P square. Now 4Q square equal P square minus P square plus 3R square. Proving part is 4Q square equal P square plus 3R square. Okay, so by equation first and second we get, solve out equation first and second we get 4Q square equal P square plus 3R square, hence proof. Again, now AB and AC are two chords of radius r such that AB equal to AC. Okay, AB equal to AC. Prove part 4Q square equal P square plus 3R square. Okay, this part will be proved. Now, according to question statement, draw figure AC and AB. Okay, chord. Now, O equidistance, center point. OM is perpendicular on AC. OL is perpendicular on AB. Therefore, join AO. AO is radius. OM equal Q and OL equal P. Now, AB equal to AC given. OL perpendicular on AB. OM perpendicular on AC. OL equal P. OM equal Q. The perpendicular from the center of circle bisect the chord. So value of R square triangle AOL, triangle AOL, it means R square equal OL square plus AL square, R square plus AL square, P square. This one is P. So value of AL square, R square minus P square. OL is perpendicular on AB, so AL is half of AB. So AB by 2, AB square by 4, R square minus P square. Here value of AB square equal 4 into R square minus P square. 4 into R square minus P square. Then AB equal 2AC. So 2AC, 4AC square, 4R square minus P square. AC square equal R square minus P square, equation first. Okay. Then similar triangle, opposite triangle AOM. R square equal Q square plus AM square. AM is half of AC. So AM is half of AC square, 4 into R square minus Q square. By equation first and second, equation second, equation first. AC square R square minus P square. Okay. Now here R square minus P square, 4R square minus 4Q square. Okay. Now R square minus P square, 4R square Q square, 4R square Q square. Therefore, here value of 4Q square as it is. Now R square. So proving part, 4Q square P square plus 3R square. By equation first and second, proving part 4Q square equal P square plus 3R square. Now question number 31. Question number 31 is in figure O is the center of circle. O is the center of circle. Now angle BCO equal 30. Angle BCO, this one is given 30 degree. Then find the value of X and Y. Here X and here Y. Okay, calculate value of X and Y. Now value of X and Y. Therefore BCO equal 30. BCO equal 30 degree given. Now in triangle OCP, right angle triangle, OCP, this one is right angle triangle, 90 degree, 60 degree. Then remaining this one is COP or POC, this one is 30 degree. Okay, so POC is 180 minus 90 minus 30. POC equal 180 minus 90 minus 30. It means POC equal 60 degree. Okay, POC is 60 degree. Then and AOD, angle AOD, this one is angle AOD, this one is 90 degree. So AOD equal 90 degree. AOD equal 90 degree given. Therefore AOD plus DOP, AOD plus DOP, this one is 90, this one is also 90. So 90, 90, 180. So both are 180. It means AOD equal 90. Here we get DOP. DOP is also get a 90 degree. Okay. Therefore angle COD, angle COD means this angle is a total angle. DOP, total angle is 90. So half of 90 means this one is 30, this one is 60. So 90 minus 60, 30 means DOC is a 30 degree. Okay, so COD or DOC means 90 minus POC, it means COD equal a 30 degree. COD equal 30 degree. Now we know that angle subtended by an arc of a center is double the angle subtended by any point on the remaining part of a circle. Therefore angle CBD angle CBD. Angle CBD. Angle CBD means remaining arc BC. Okay, BC arc angle made on CBD. Okay, this one, and angle made on BOC. Okay, so CBD equal half of COD. Half of COD. COD. Half of a COD. Okay, join half of COD. Therefore COD is 30 degree. COD is 30 degree and CBD is y. So value of y, CBD replaced by y, it means 30 divided by 2. 30 divided by 2 means 15 degree. So we get value of y equal 15 degree. Now ABD means A, B and D. Now ABD, this one is ABD is half of ABD is half of AOD. AOD. ABD is half of AOD. So AOD is 90 degree. Then ABD is 45 degree. Therefore, in triangle ABP, in triangle AB and P, in this triangle, angle A plus angle B plus angle P equal 180. By angle sum property, here value of X and value, this one is 90 degree. So x plus 45 plus y and 90 degree equal 180 degree. X as it is, 45 as it is, value of y here 15 degree, 90 degree as it is 180 degree. So value of x 90 plus 45 plus 15, transferring on other side 180 minus total 150. So we get value of x equal 30 degree. X equal 30 degree and y equal 15 degree. Answer. Okay students, remaining question try yourself. If you have any doubt, then write your doubts comment in comment box. Okay, thanks.